This video describes an advancement in workforce analytics offered to business by Symetra Labs. Our Employee Confidential project extends automation to include frequent employee microsurveys. These analytics provide corporate leaders with a digital mosaic of the workforce status for all remote business locations. Automated reports provide managers with an early warning system for such issues as turnover trends and the performance readiness of mission-critical work groups. A survey engine easily sends microsurveys to the cell phones of any employee. The workforce analytics of Symetra Labs is the hyperlogic created when data mining, smartphone technology, and artificial intelligence land in the same space. This new hybrid manager is a high-speed tool that serves as an invisible extra manager to modern business. It is the solution to an increasingly restless pool of workers and the business losses that follow workforce instability and poor business readiness. The hybrid observer has an invisible workflow footprint because the service is entirely digital. This new manager is efficient, undistracted, unseen, unbiased, and an excellent listener to the entire workforce. Employee Confidential is flexible enough to dovetail with any existing management system. It is simply an automated method of reading far more business intelligence into management decisions. The central office and the remote business manager will soon be more informed about workforce performance than ever thought possible. The new business technology will dramatically change the role of the central office. Precise workforce information will be shared by both the remote business site and the corporate information center. The cascade of business intelligence will substantially improve business performance, workplace stability, and employee engagement. Facility workforce data is automatically analyzed by the Symetra Analytic Engine. This graphic illustrates how multiple business locations can funnel their workforce analytics to the corporate central office through Symetra. Workforce data streams arrive monthly for each business location, allowing upper management to get a general view of the corporate field as well as highly specific metrics for each facility. Automated monthly reports dramatically reduce the need for corporate travel to remote locations. Business solutions can be launched and evaluated in real time on the basis of routine monthly analysis. Corporate strategies are likely to be timely, more precise in their scope, evidence-based, and less expensive. All kinds of business intelligence can now be used to maximize profitability while also raising the stability and morale of the workforce. To the best of our knowledge, Employee Confidential is the most technically advanced workforce analytics enterprise available on the market. There is a long list of things business leaders need to know about their workforce. A turnover episode at a remote facility draws heavily on corporate resources. Wouldn't it be great to see a turnover wave coming long before it hits your corporate beach? Leadership and line supervisor performance is often the heart of business success. Employee Confidential provides an objective second opinion. Workforce stress takes on many forms. What is the average stress profile for your mission-critical employees? Where do your facilities stand when it comes to optimal readiness? Are your facilities welcoming new employees or letting them fend for themselves until another job comes along? Can we build more cohesive work groups? Do your consumers see your management weaknesses? What is the status of your brand with customers and the workforce community that you are now recruiting? These and other questions are ready for rapid deployment from our survey library. Global automation has greatly improved productivity and efficiency worldwide. It has become difficult for businesses to find ways to improve their bottom line. Workforce analytics may be the solution. Businesses lose a fortune each year to employee turnover costs. Losing a single minimum wage employee is worth thousands of dollars. In a business of 200 employees per facility, a reduction of a few percentage points of turnover easily amounts to hundreds of thousands of dollars each year. Multiply this value by a dozen facilities and the potential for savings quickly becomes substantial. Employee Confidential provides the tools needed to meet this challenge. It also addresses a broad range of other issues now within the affordable reach of the technology. 3 basic achievements of the project include automated employee microsurvey, automated analytics, and automated reporting. These advantages allow our services to be nimble, cost-effective, and precise. As our routine services are completely digital, our services leave a very small footprint on employee workflows. The project name, Employee Confidential, denotes the ethical protection of privacy. We invest in this concept as a matter of company policy and as essential to our business model. We incorporate the confidential observations and experiences of the average employee to help solve the business equation. Our policy is to protect the survey privacy of the individual survey respondent while forming descriptive data that includes work groups, shifts, supervisors, and teams. Individual survey responses are not reported. By the design of our algorithm, employees taking one of our surveys have the assurance that their identity will remain separate from survey responses. The assurance of privacy allows employees to become thoughtful contributors to the business. Most businesses simply do not have the in-house experience, policies, or tools needed to manage the sensitive privacy issue. Employee Confidential has resolved these challenges as an essential component to our business model. Symetra Labs has built an analytics platform that protects workforce stability. Intelligence is gathered at remote sites, analyzed and sent to the central corporate office. Our reporting is automated and intuitive. Symetra operates as a virtual manager making thousands of on-site observations each month. The virtual manager is unseen, unbiased, and undistracted from its mission. The virtual manager analyzes historical data, current data, and the results of micro-surveys of employees. Current metrics are compared to historical baselines for each facility. Symetra provides a firewall against turnover and other threats to business stability. Upticks in turnover may lead to effective solutions that can be followed up monthly. Employee survey privacy is the mainstay of the Employee Confidential business model. Symetra has a number of safeguards to protect survey privacy that will build staff trust over time. The candid observations of employees are invaluable in modern business planning and decision-making. The quantity and the quality of this new source of business intelligence is an exciting opportunity for business leadership. See us and comment at symetralabs.com.